Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to make an easy way to get golds in Build a Bot for Treasure. Let's get started. To get started, first get 9 woods block then. Create this with the wooden blocks. After you created it, get this strange thing. I don't really know what it is. Place it at the middle though. After when you placed it, get the sticky block, which I call it. Place it on top of the strange yellow thing. Don't place it still. Get on the starnge thing, then place the sticky block here for it to work. And it worked! This glitch is not detectable or cannot get you banned. I hope this helped for you. Thanks for watching.